Let's go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a different review. It's going to be a wig review from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. This is their headband wig. It's in 18 inches, kinky straight. And if you don't know already, I do love these wigs. So I love when I'm sent these wigs. So I was sent this wig. I love when I'm sent these wigs because they are easy and they are very versatile. They come with multiple headbands and they're just a good everyday go look. So I would definitely recommend you pick one up wherever you go, but definitely pick one up from Beauty Forever. So this is in a natural black, which is their natural hair color. I think that is the only hair color they have, which is in natural black, which is actually good because, you know, this is 100% human hair and I would rather just wear it in that color. So it does have the information on how to care for it because it's 100% human hair on the back. And I am going to open the box and we're going to see what's in the box. Okay, so in the box comes with, of course, 2 headbands. I noticed that a lot of these wigs come with headbands, which I'm really happy about, and a wig cap. Here's the wig in 18 inches, Yaki. So if you don't know what Yaki is what my natural hair texture would be. But this is probably more defined because I've recently relaxed my hair, which is alright. So one thing I want to tell y'all is y'all can wear these wigs with your natural hair out if you wanted to. So I was going to do that, but being that my hair is extremely straight and I didn't braid it, I'm saying a lot, I'm so sorry, and I didn't braid it, I'm not going to kind of pull it out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to definitely just show you how it looks on. So this is the wig. It comes with apparently 2 combs, these huge combs. This is the first time I've ever seen one that looks like this without the polyester band on top. So there's no band. If you go back to my recent videos, there's like a thick band and it has Velcro. There's none of that here on this wig. So this is very different. This is more like a just, you know, weave sewn on a wig cap. And it has adjustable straps with 2 combs. And let's see what it looks like on. So I'm going to use, you know what, I might have to use a wig cap because my hair is so fine right now. I should have used my neck. Alright, so this is one wig cap. I am going to definitely put it on because my hair is so fine right now. It's going to move everywhere. Okay. Alright. So, pull that back. Now, I'm going to put the wig on. Okay, off the rip, I'm going to definitely say this. This is not big head friendly. I'm going to definitely say that. But I do like the texture of the hair. Is it 18 inches? Yeah, no, more like 16. But I love the texture of the hair. I do love the volume. So we can kind of get more out of this. Yeah. Okay, now that's setting it off. That is cute. Okay, now we getting somewhere. This is cute. This is definitely cute. I like it. I'm trying to see. Alright, so I definitely like this. I may flat iron it out just a little bit more. I do love the natural extreme volume. This is cute. I love that about this. I do love the headband. So the headband is this really cute like tribal print, which is pink, green, and blue. And there's another tribal print which is really cute. Now it is hard to get these headbands on, but once you get them on, I mean, look at them, they're really pretty. The hair is great texture. I mean, I can bring my hands through it without no tangle. I don't think you're gonna have an issue with tangling like that. Let me see if I can swoop that over, giving like them 80s 90s vibes. But yeah, this is not 18 inches. This is more like 16. 18 is down here. So this is more like 16, but it's still really cute. This is giving off real natural hair vibes. If I wanted to put this on and just roll out, this is automatically giving off a real natural look. I mean, I even have my hair out here and you just really can't tell. So one thing I would recommend you doing though is getting bigger headbands because it'll definitely work. These headbands aren't really covering a whole lot unless you bring the wig up some, but even then if you bring the wig up some, I think it's still going to kind of show. So definitely get you some bigger headbands, but the hair is phenomenal and I love it. And the fact that this wig is giving me life and making me feel some type of way just looking at it, I'm just truly amazed. I'm wowed. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is from Beauty Forever in the Yaki Kinky Straights, and it is definitely that. If you can see the hair texture, it's definitely that. I believe you can style however you choose. I'm not going to style this wig because I feel like there isn't much to do with me not having braids, so it's not going to stay put as I'm styling. So do know that you can style this wig so long as you have like a braid pattern to secure the combs in. You can do whatever style you want to do with this hair. You can do up down, 2 little pom-poms, and then the hair down, or you know, in a ponytail. You can definitely do that with how it is constructed. And anything with hairband wigs, you can definitely put in a ponytail so long as you have a headband. So you can get away with it, which is going to make it look extra natural and beautiful. So this is going to look really, 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 really pretty once you have one in your own hands. Now I have it in mine, and it's all that, y'all. I love it. I'm in love. Like, I love it's giving me that Rudy Huxtable feel. I love it, y'all. Y'all tell me what you think about it. There isn't much I can say about it because, you know, I've done many of these wigs, but every time I see a different hair texture and every time I see a different method of it made, I'm always still wowed. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the only thing that I do not like, just the only thing I don't like is that the hair here where it starts is, you know, when it comes to the headband, you got to be real. You gotta have the headband really over this so it doesn't show, because it's definitely gonna show. But that's the only teensy thing I don't like about it. But the thing I love about this wig is I can pull my hair out right now, as long as if I would have had some secure braids. I can pull this wig with my hair out in the front, and I'm telling you, it will blend flawlessly. That is A1 in my book, and I love that about this wig. So I am definitely sold, and the price was not that bad. The price for this wig for 18 inches was $112. That's not bad for what you're getting. This is a really nice quality wig, very versatile. You can flat iron it. It's 100% human hair, and I was wrong. The inches go all the way up to 28. So just imagine what you can do with this wig, especially pulling your hair out. This is a perfect wig. This is a perfect date night wig. This is a perfect just grocery shopping wig. These wigs are just perfect for everyday wear. So they start from 12 inches all the way to 28. And they do have a kinky curly and a kinky straight. So this is kinky straight Yaki, and I love it. This is a glueless half wig, so but it's a headband wig. It's what you call a headband wig. So I love it. I'm definitely in love. Do check them out at Beauty Forever. Here it is, at Beauty Forever on Amazon, and I believe when you purchase a 12-inch, $72. Not bad. So this comes to the end of my video. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. That is all right. All right, so this comes to the end of this video. Do hit that subscribe button and that bell button for future content. If you're new, welcome. My name is Tamika Moscato. I have videos on here every other week or when I feel like it, because I am busy and my life right now is changing for the better, and I'm gonna need all of you guys' prayers and everything. So I truly appreciate your support 100%. Hit that bell button below if you could. If you do have questions, leave them in the comment section below. Everything will be in the description box, I promise. I'm sorry that I keep keeping it out. My mind is just, it's gone sometimes, and I will have it in the description box below. So please don't chew me out about that. So it's come to the end of this video. It's been fun, it's been real, and I shall catch y'all in the next one. Bye.